Austin. Hello, friends. Today we're going to work on the different spellings for ah, the ah sound. So, when we have a W-A, the A can't say ah. The ah actually has three sounds. Let's make the sounds. Ah, the short sound. A, the long sound. And ah. And that ah is what you say when you go to the doctor's and he says, say ah. And you go ah. Just show him the back of your mouth. That is the third sound of A. So everybody go ah. Okay, so that's what we're going to say when we see W-A in these words. Ah makes wasp. Try this one. Oh, about this one, the T does not talk. The T is a silent letter. Only the CH talks. And we know what CH says because we just learned it. Do you remember what it says? Ch, ch. Right. We're going to use the first sound of ch. Let's sound it out now. What? We're using the ah sound. W-A. What? Ah. Ch makes watch. Watch me. And the last one we have here. What? Okay, this is kind of tricky because it is a two-syllable word. We haven't had too many of that. We haven't had any of those yet. I'm going to teach those tricks soon. But this is water. 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 We know says, ER says That's one of our spellings for We've already had that. So, when we have a W-A in a word, remember that the A may say ah. Ah. Now, when we have A-L-L in a word, the A also says ah. All makes all. We only say the consonant one time. The consonant L doesn't get repeated. All. Okay, let's do the next one. Since we have A-L-L, we're going to use the third sound. All. All. Wall. Wall. Very good. Now take off the W, put an F on there, and it rhymes. What does it become? Fall. Take the F off, put a T there. What do we have? Tall. That's right. This is a word family. They all rhyme, don't they? Mall. And what's the last one? Ha. So when we have A-L-L and the new one, A-L-K, we use the third sound of A. And what is the third sound of A? A, ah. That's your third sound, ah. So let's try that now with our A-L-K words. Remember our rhyme, when we have A-L-L and A-L-K, we use the third sound of A. Okay, let's sound it out. Third sound, aw. What you said to the doctor's talk. Makes talk. Very good. What's this one? Walk. And, oh, look at this one, CH. We've had that one before. Choo-choo. Ch, 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 ch. Try this first sound of CH first. Ch, ch, ch. Did you figure it out? Looks like a second grade word to me. What's the word? Chalk. Chalk. Did you lose your chalk or break your chalk? Okay, so we just had the A, the letter A, making the ah sound. Three different ways to spell it, the ah sound. W-A, A-L-L, and A-L-K. Now, W-A usually makes the ah sound, but A-L-L and A-L-K almost always make the ah sound. So let's say our little rhyme. When we have A-L-L and A-L-K, we make the third sound of A. What's the sound? Ah. Very good. There's another way to spell ah, and it's with A-U. Let's look at some words where the ah sound is spelled with A-U. Here's our ah phonogram. All. Haul. We have to haul the boat. Haul. Okay, let's go to the next one. There's A-U. What's it say? Big word. Did you figure it out? Fault. I hear that all the time. It wasn't my fault. And this last one's somebody's name. We know that because it has a capital P. Paul. Paul. Very good. Notice this AU is usually in the middle of a word. You usually won't find AU spelled this way at the end of a word. At the end of a word, you're going to see it usually spelled AW. Or at the end of a syllable, it'll be spelled AW. So this is another way we spell aw. This is aw at the end of the word. Makes, saw. Makes, paw. That's a dog's paw. Or an animal's paw. Now I'll take off the P, put an R there, and what do we have? Raw. Do not eat raw eggs. Okay, well now this is another word family you may notice because they are all spelled the same and make the same sound at the end. They're rhyming too. What's the word? Jaw. Okay, the last one. Law. It's against the law to do that. Okay, so now we know aw and ah. And this is the ah we usually use at the end of a word or syllable. This is the ah we usually use in the middle. And then we have the third sound of A, which also we know can make the ah sound. We're just going to add these two cards now to our phonemes. Make sure you add them. Make sure you then mix them all up. And make sure you go through them. I'm going to hold them up. You tell me what they say. Okay? See if you can beat me. Ah. That's our new ah. That's our other ah. Ah at the end. I. Were. Some people say th and the. A quiet sound for this and a loud sound. But just the is good. What's this one? Quiet sound. Shh. 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 Remember, there are 3 sounds for that. Did you remember that? Shh. Shh. R. A-R says R. And or. Wow, we've had a lot of sounds now. Go back and practice all these and see if you can find them in words too. I'll see you later. Bye.